7 mistakes that make eggs harmful to your health, and how to fix them. Yes, eggs are known as one of the most nutritious foods on the planet. However, what if I told you that the way you cook, store, or eat them could actually be making them harmful to your health? And so, in this video, we are exposing 7 common mistakes people make with eggs, and how to fix them so you can enjoy their full benefits without the hidden risks. So, make sure to stick around till the end, because mistake number 7 is something that even health-conscious people are guilty of. And take just 3 seconds to like and subscribe to this channel for more smart nutrition tips. Alright, let's get started with these common egg mistakes. Mistake number 1. Overcooking your eggs. Yes, when you cook eggs until they are rubbery, you are not just ruining the taste. You are also damaging the protein and oxidizing the cholesterol in the yolk. And all this can lead to inflammation as well as reduced nutrient absorption. Here is what to do instead. Cook eggs on low to medium heat and stop once the whites are firm and the yolks are still slightly soft. Doing this preserves nutrients like choline, vitamin D, and healthy fats. Mistake number 2. Using the wrong cooking oil. Also remember that cooking eggs in vegetable oil, margarine, or oils high in omega-6 fats can make your breakfast a source of inflammation and free radicals. Here are better options. Use more healthy oils, such as avocado oil, ghee, olive oil, or even a little butter. These are more stable under heat and are actually also proven to support your brain as well as heart health. Mistake number 3. Eating raw or undercooked eggs regularly. Yes, raw eggs are trendy in smoothies, but also in some diets. However, they come with a risk of salmonella and can also inhibit the absorption of biotin, which is a B vitamin that supports your skin, hair, and nails. And this is what to do instead. Lightly cook your eggs in order to kill bacteria while preserving nutrients. Also think soft-boiled, poached, or over easy. Mistake number 4. Skipping the yolk. Are you so much afraid of cholesterol? Well, you might be ditching the most nutritious part of the egg. And this is because research has found that the yolk contains choline, omega-3s, vitamin A, D, and E, all of which are essential for your brain, liver, and hormones. So, unless advised by your doctor, do not fear to eat the yolk. And some studies have shown that most healthy adults can safely eat 1 to 2 whole eggs per day. If you are enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more nutrition smart videos. Let's continue. Mistake number 5. Not buying the right kind of eggs. Yes, bear in mind that not all eggs are created equal. And here, a good example could be eggs from caged hens, which may contain fewer nutrients and more omega-6 fats due to their poor diet. So, always look for labels like pasture-raised, organic, or those labeled omega-3 enriched. These eggs are more nutrient-dense and come from healthier hens. Mistake number 6. Leaving eggs at room temperature too long. Did you know that eggs can start developing harmful bacteria if they are left out for more than 2 hours? Yes, you heard me right. Studies have shown that especially in warm climates, unrefrigerated eggs can actually cause foodborne illnesses. So, here is a pro tip. Store eggs in the coldest part of the fridge and not on the door. And also never wash them before storing, as doing this removes their protective coating. Mistake number 7. Eating eggs with highly processed meats. Eggs and bacon? Yes, it may really feel like classic combo. But research has found that pairing eggs with processed meats, such as bacon, sausage, or ham, only creates a saturated fat and sodium bomb that increases your risk of heart disease, as well as high blood pressure. Here is a healthier pairing. Try eggs with veggies, avocados, or whole grain toast. Yes, all these keep the meal balance and blood sugar stable. And there you have it. 7 mistakes that make eggs harmful to your health and how to fix them. And as a bonus, here are quick tips for healthy egg eating. Tip number 1. Don't oversalt your eggs. Try using herbs like turmeric, oregano, or black pepper instead. Tip number 2. Boil in bulk and store. And be always ready for grab-and-go protein snacks. Tip number 3. Rotate cooking methods. Go scrambled, boiled, poached, to keep your meals interesting and nutrient profiles varied. So, as you can see, eggs can be a superfood or a silent saboteur. It all comes down to how you treat them. As such, if you really love eggs, make sure you are not making these mistakes, and your body will thank you. And if you have learned something new from this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more nutrition smart videos every week, and comment below. What's your favorite way to cook eggs? Now, if you would like to know some egg myths that circulate out there, click on the screen right now, and I will see you guys in that next video.